Replacement foam ear cushions for various Koss headphones. Package includes 6 replaceable foam cushions, 3 pairs. Compatible with Koss KSC11, KSC17, KSC75 and Porta Pro. Package dimensions .375 in LX5 in WX9 in H. Top reviews from the United States. Once you figure out how to install them, they are great. After several years of daily usage, the foam covers got ragged, so I ordered the card with several pairs. I have both versions of the CSOO, the USB and dual 3.5mm plugs in my office. I tried hooking the lip on the foam over the rim of the black disc and working around the perimeter, holding what was in place and gently stretching as I went around. It was sort of like trying to put a tire on a rim. It kept coming off. Then I decided to pull the black disc off the ear cup. It is held into place via 3 prongs. Once that was done, I could see the little pinpoints around the inner side of the disc. Holding the foam onto them kept the cuff in place, and with a bit of stretching it fit just fine. Align the 3 large prongs on the inner surface and snap them in place one at a time, and you are all done.